Swastiastu. Hello everyone, my name is Igustayu Uchariwahini from 4A Mathematics Education. My last three-digit number are 016. Okay guys, now I will explain about mathematical logic. So what is mathematical logic? Before that, the topic now, in mathematical logic, I will explain about concept and the example. Okay, from we discuss about mathematical logic, we should know what is the definition of mathematical logic. Okay, mathematical logic is a branch of mathematical that studies logical thinking in order to be able to draw conclusion based on current condition. Okay, the first, I will explain about negation. The negation of a statement is the opposite of the given mathematical statement. If P is a statement, then the negation of statement P is represented by not P. The symbol used to represent the negation of statement are here, you can see on screen. Okay guys, to answer the question about negation, we should look on truth table. Here the truth table of negation. If P is false, not P is true. But if P is true, not P is false. Okay, for example, Jamie is a smart kid. The sentence is true. So, from the table, if the sentence is true, the negation must be false. So, Jamie is a smart kid. The negation are Jamie is not a smart child, or Jamie is a child who is not smart, or it's not true that Jamie is a smart kid. Okay, if the sentence is true, negation is false. Okay, next is about conjunction. A conjunction is a statement formed by adding two statements with the connector and. This is connector and. The symbol for conjunction is, as you can see on screen, guys, which can be read as and. Okay, when two statements P and Q are joined in the statement, the conjunction will be expressed symbolically as P and Q. Okay, guys, to answer a question about conjunction, we should look on truth table. This is the truth table for conjunction. Okay, look at here. Conjunction always be true if P and Q are true. Okay, now we look for example of conjunction, guys. Sehun eats rice and drink coffee. This is the sentence. So the conjunction are Sehun eats rice and Sehun drink coffee. This sentence true. Sehun eats rice, but Sehun doesn't drink coffee. This sentence false. Sehun doesn't eat rice, but Sehun drinks coffee. This sentence false. Sehun doesn't eat rice, but Sehun doesn't drink coffee. This sentence also false. So, to know when the sentence is true, we should look on P and Q. If P and Q true, the conjunction true. Okay, now about disjunction. A disjunction is a statement formed by adding two statements with the connector or. The symbol for disjunction is V, as you can see on screen, which can be read as or. When two statements P and Q are joined in the statement, the disjunction will be expressed symbolically as P or Q. Okay, guys, before we discuss about conjunction, now disjunction. Conjunction has connector and now disjunction has connector or. That's the difference. Okay, to answer the question about disjunction, we should look on truth table. Disjunction always be false if P and Q also false. Otherwise, true. You can see on screen, guys. Okay, for example, Hendra drinks milk or drinks coffee. The disjunction are Hendra drinks milk, but Hendra also drinks coffee. The sentence true. Hendra drinks milk, but Hendra doesn't drink coffee. The sentence also true. Hendra doesn't drink milk, but Hendra drinks coffee. The sentence true. Hendra doesn't drink milk, nor does he drink coffee. This sentence false. Okay, next. Okay, now about implication. An important connective is logical implication. If P, then Q. Recall. If P then Q means if P is true, Q is true as well. Recall, if P then Q says nothing about what happens, is P is false. Recall, if P then Q says nothing about causality, it just says that if P is true, Q will be true as well. Okay, guys, implication also have truth table. This is the truth table of implication. Here we can see implication. All implication just be false if P true and Q false. Otherwise, true. Okay, now we look to an example of implication. The sentence is, if Satya studies, then he passes. The implication are, Satya studied until he graduated. The sentence true. Satya studies, but he doesn't pass. The sentence false. Satya didn't study, but he passed. The sentence true. Satya didn't study, so he didn't graduate. This sentence also true. Okay, next. Okay, this is the last but not least, by implication. The by implication or by conditional connective P if and only if Q. Okay, intuitively, either both P and Q are true or neither of them are. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. By implication also have truth table here. By implication, just be true if P and Q have the same conditional. What is the meaning of same conditional? We can see here, if P and Q is true, the by implication is true. If P and Q are false, the by implication is true. Okay, for example of by implication, a triangle is to be equilateral if and only if all three sides are the same length. Okay. Okay, guys, I think that's all about me. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.